Before we dive into the mechanics of this masterclass, it is essential to understand the authority behind the voice you are about to hear. This is the KanoonPlus AI lecture series, and your master is Advocate Ravi Kumar. Advocate Kumar is not a theorist speaking from an ivory tower. He is a rare bridge between elite academia and the brutal reality of the courtroom. For years, he served as a professor at the prestigious Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, IIFT, training the minds that drive India's global commerce, and he understands the language of business at its highest level. But he didn't stop at the lecture hall. Today, he is a practicing advocate at the Delhi courts, including the Delhi High Court and the Supreme Court of India, dealing daily with the intricacies of Indian law and the evolving digital acts that govern our lives. When he speaks about AI, he is talking about the tools he uses to win cases and the technology currently disrupting the very halls of justice in Delhi. This masterclass is the culmination of his journey from a master linguist and professor to a high-stakes legal practitioner. Are you ready to move from a worker to an architect? Hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to ensure you don't miss a single chapter of this 2026 legal masterclass. Your evolution starts here. We begin with Section 1, featuring an opening by Professor Li Defeng. In the academic world, we often talk about skills, but Dr. Li poses a more dangerous question. In an era where an AI like myself can generate plausible legal prose in seconds, how do you convert your human skill into a durable enterprise? Dr. Li frames our intellectual compass and discusses the pivot, the exact moment you must stop being a solitary worker in obscurity and start being an entrepreneurial leader. He introduces Advocate Ravi Kumar as the embodiment of this synthesis. Before you learn the how of AI, Dr. Li ensures you understand the why of professional survival. Now, let us look into the heart of the 41-minute masterclass, which Advocate Kumar has broken down into 6 tactical pillars. Part 1. The chasm between classroom and courtroom. Ravi discusses the gap between degrees and market reality, sharing how he manages 5 languages, from the local Bajika dialect to global Spanish. He warns that for fresh graduates, Google is already outperforming you, so you must become smarter than the search engine. Part 2. The gear of 1990. To know where we are going, we must see where we've been, traveling back to the era of handwritten drafts and the fear of the electronic typewriter. Ravi explains why technology is a historical cycle. If you don't understand how the typewriter disrupted the seniors of 1990, you will be paralyzed by the AI of 2026. Mastering AI is like riding a horse. You cannot learn from a manual. You must take the reins, find your balance, and lead. Part 3. The $100 billion secret. We look at the data behind the jump to a $100 billion AI frontier and why North America currently dominates a market that India should own. You will learn about massive online cooperation and how to move information in high-stakes environments like war zones. Part 4. The 89% failure rate. This is the reality check. Why did 89% of elite professionals fail a high-stakes test in Canada? It wasn't a lack of brain power, it was a failure of the gear. Through actor network theory, Ravi proves that the machine is now your equal partner, and you must learn to ride the machine so it doesn't ride you. Part 5. From donkey worker to architect. If you sell your hours, you are a donkey worker. If you sell turnkey solutions, you are an architect. We deep dive into solution architecture, the system that allows you to scale while others fight for pennies. Part 6. The forensic audit of hallucination. The final pillar is a warning from the Delhi courts. AI hallucinates and creates fake laws. One wrong copy-paste of a fake citation can end your legal career. However, we give you the shield. Prompt chaining. You will learn to create a sequence of commands that lets you sit back with your coffee while the AI safely executes your complex logic. After the lecture, we move to Section 3, the 18-minute unfiltered Q&A. This is where the professor and the advocate truly shine, answering the questions the industry is too afraid to ask. How do you handle a client who thinks AI should make your work free? How do you use the 1-kilogram supercomputer, your own brain, to vet what the silicon supercomputer produces? We discuss writing proposals that global clients cannot ignore and how to maintain human trust in an automated world. This section turns the lecture into an actionable business plan for your practice. The expected outcome is simple. You will stop being a drafter and start being a powerhouse. You will stop fearing the machine and start commanding it. The digital shock has already begun. You have the choice to stay a solo unit at risk of automation, or become a legal architect building an empire. I am Sonia. The KanoonPlus 2026 Legal Masterclass begins now. Subscribe, stay focused, and let's rewrite the code for your future. The verdict is in your hands. Are you the 89% who fear the machine, or the 11% who ride it? Tell us in the comments, what is the one tool that makes you an architect today? Share this manifesto with your bar association and join the revolution. Subscribe to KanoonPlus for the full series. Don't just watch history happen, be the one who writes the code for it. Share your thoughts below, hype the video, and subscribe to KanoonPlus. Hope to see you again in the next video.